Thanks for tuning in for another video. Today I got the Amazfit Band 7. And I'll just do a quick unboxing and show you what's inside here and go over some features. So I'm going to maybe try to unbox this and actually go over some of the details at the same time. I don't know if I could do that. So let me actually start to open this up. Okay, this is definitely not a premium unboxing, right? So this is the watch, just kind of in a bag here. So let's undo that. There's the watch, the band as it is, some sensors on there. And this is the charger. And it's a magnetic charger like Amazfit usually has. This charger just plugs in here, magnetic charger. Supposedly it takes about 2 hours to charge this thing. The milliamps is 232, and you're supposed to get 18 days on this with regular usage. If you had a battery saver mode, it'd be 28 days, and then if you were using it heavy, supposedly it's up to 12 days. It's an AMOLED display, which is really great at this price range. This watch is, I forgot to tell you, this watch is $50. It's a 1.47-inch display. The resolution is 198 by 368, which gives you a PPI of 282. And the top here is made out of tempered glass. If it was Gorilla Glass, they would have told you, so it's not. So this is the Amazfit Band 7, like I said. I do have the Amazfit Band 5. They didn't make a Band 6, not for the United States, and might be in some parts of the world, but I don't have the Band 6. So I will show you the difference between the Band 5 and the Band 7 after I go through this and show you the pros and cons and go through the differences. Right now it looks like it's a dead battery, so we'll go ahead and charge it and get back to you in a few weeks and give you an update. Thanks. Actually, I'm going to show you how to set this up before I use it for a few weeks to review. And to turn it on, basically you just have to put it in the charger to get it initialized, and then basically just tap the screen, maybe twice. Then you got to pick your language. There we go, and then you get this little QR code that you're going to have to set up here. And you have to find the Zepp app. So let me just load that. So this is what it looks like. So I already have that installed, so I'm just going to go ahead and open it. Then what we got to do here is get to my profile. So I have a couple of Amazfit bands and watches, but I'm going to go ahead and add this. I'm going to hit band. The band has no QR code, and the band has a QR code. So mine does. So we got to give access to the Zepp app to use the QR code. Okay. Then if you see here, it says accept a binding request. Hit yes. Never heard it called binding request before, but okay. Bound successfully. So that's basically it. And I'll go through the apps here and navigation and display and all that other stuff another time. And I'll also go through all the app, what's in here. The Zepp app is actually fairly good, pretty robust. I've been using it for many years, and it's had many updates, and it's actually, like I said, very good now. A lot of times when you buy these bands, again, this band is only $50. You buy these cheaper bands. Sometimes the hardware is not that bad, but really the software is what you need. You need to have an app that's useful, easy to use, and also that it is actually being supported and updated on a regular basis. So the Zepp app does that. Check out my full review of the Amazfit Band 7, and I also have a full video about all the customization that you can do on the watch. Please consider subscribing, liking, and turning on notifications to get more videos like this, and see you in the future. Thank you.